Hey y'all, long time no see. I'm so happy to be back. This is just gonna be a video of me just getting pretty, doing my lashes, and just telling you guys what's been going on with me. The last time I uploaded was about 2 years ago, and you guys have been on my head about it. You guys have been on my head about uploading, where I've been. You said you were gonna upload, and life kind of happens. I started school again. I went through some life-changing experiences, and I just wasn't able to completely dedicate myself to YouTube, and I didn't want to come back until I had the ability to give you guys the content that you deserved. I never would want to put out garbage. I never would want to put out anything that isn't elevated from the last thing. So yeah, to discuss some more of what I've been doing, I started to branch out and expand my branding and just my online presence other places. I started doing TikTok. I hit 100,000 followers on my original blog, which was a pretty big milestone for me because it's what started this entire journey for me. I've been growing on Twitter and just focusing on me, focusing on the things that I need to change. I had to do a lot of shadow work. I had to adjust just the way that I was living, my lifestyle, my eating habits, my self-care habits, because I've said it before and I'll say it again. You can make yourself pretty all day. You can do makeup. You can put on as many lashes if you want to. You can put 1,000 coats of foundation on. But if you're not happy, if there's something in you that isn't making you want to succeed, you're not going to succeed. And you're just not going to feel pretty. And I didn't want to push that energy out. I also was kind of getting stuck in this, my next upload has to be perfect mentality. And I'm starting to realize that the next project that you do is only as perfect as it can possibly be. And what I mean by that is there should always be a level of growth. So when I came out with my first video ever that is visible on this channel, I thought that that was perfect. But looking back, there's a lot of things that could be improved, and I had to accept that that's just going to be how I feel forever. As long as I'm a creative, there's always going to be something that I could do better. There's always going to be something that I could be more into, and that's just because I'm ever evolving. I'm multifaceted. I have a lot of different interests, a lot of different ways to express myself. So yeah, I really had to snap myself out of that thinking, because as long as it's something that I wanted to do, and as long as it's something that I feel connected to, then I'm happy with that. And you guys, please just bear with me. I'm not really sure how I feel about this voiceover format. I'm so used to just talking to the camera, but I got so far recording and then I realized I haven't said a single word. I haven't talked about the products that I'm using. I haven't talked to you guys. So yeah, just let me know how you guys feel about the voiceover versus me just talking. And this is another thing I wanted to talk to you guys about. I have been getting really into interior design for my room. Like, not for the entire house, not for anybody else but me. I'm always changing the way that my bed is displayed. I'm always changing my vanity setup because it's fun. It's really fun. It's one of my creative outlets that I didn't really think was there. I've always thought that I was just into just fashion and makeup, but no, I enjoy playing with furniture, different fabrics, things on the wall, just self-expression, a whole lot of self-expression. So with that being said, I wanted to do a room tour. I've been wanting to do a room tour for a really long time, but the thing is, my room is not done. But that goes back to what I was saying about the perfection thing. You can only do what you can do at this time with what you're given. So I was thinking, maybe if you guys wanted to see, I can do a room tour and maybe just tell you guys as I'm doing it the things that I want to add, things that I want to change, things I want to improve, because I think that would be fun. So if you guys are interested in that, just let me know in the comments. I'm also planning on doing something like a vanity tour, just showing you guys all of my lippies, all of my eyeshadow products, my foundations, blushes. I have so much blush. Oh my god. So yeah. And that's something I would want to do because I've been building my makeup collection since, no lie, I was in maybe the 10th grade. It's been a really big amalgamation of things that I've been interested in, trends through the years, and I would want to show you guys that. So if you're interested in that, just let me know also. But also, I really wanted to bring back makeup, like especially black girl makeup. Just color and shimmers and pink and smoky eyes. As you can see, I love a good smoky eye. I love a smoke with a shimmer on it. I want to get back into that. I feel like there's a shift happening, but it's not happening fast enough for me. So yeah, if you guys like makeup tutorials, and not even tutorials, but just watching people do makeup, I will gladly do that. I love makeup videos. And I have just one last comment about content and content creation for me and what it's going to look like looking forward. I feel like I kind of blew up again. I've had my blog that has like over 100,000 followers, and I'm so grateful for every single one of them, and I'm grateful for the experience that they gave me. But I kind of realized that I built that platform off of helping people, off of giving advice, off of making guides, and I don't want to do that anymore. I feel like, one, how many guides does a person need before they start changing, before they start to use the information that they have? Two, I want y'all to know me for me. I want y'all to like me for me. What I foresee in the future for the channel is a lot of vlogs, a lot of tours, collections. For example, my doll collection. A lot of you may not know that I am a doll collector. I love dolls, particularly brass dolls. And it's not even from a place of, oh, it's healing my inner child. No, I like fashion. I like pretty things. I like to look at pretty things. And that's what dolls do for me. So I'm saying all that to say, I really see for the future of my channel just it being kind of a video diary. Another reason why I'm really happy to be back on YouTube is I just want to show y'all a lot of the things that I just want to create. As a girly girl with a very specific aesthetic, it's kind of hard finding things that exactly speak to me. So I see a lot of making my own clothes, customizing my shoes, making my own jewelry. I don't know, I just think that would be really cute and really me, very, very me. Alright, y'all, so that's about it for this video. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you're happy that I'm back. Alright, guys, bye.